Our primary objective is to help small retailers in these difficult times by enabling them to go online in quick time. Zero or low contact experiences are a mandate today. Our shopping experience is designed based on this mandate. With curbside pickup, customers never have to leave the safety of their vehicles. Store representatives need not come in close physical proximity with the customers. The delivery is contactless and completed seamlessly. To increase curbside delivery adoption, we also provide an option to issue a gift voucher to the customer after a successful pickup. This is how it works. Customer logs into the online store and selects a nearest convenient store to pick up their order. Chooses a pickup date and time and starts shopping.
Watch.
Once they are done, they would check out their order, make payment and place the order. They make a note of the order ID. Customer drives to the store at the selected pickup time. On arrival, customer sends a text to the store using our curbside chatbot. Customer then provides the order ID, the parking slot number and the vehicle registration number. A store associate would deliver the order and load it into the trunk. And hey, customers also get a free gift voucher. Once we finalized the customer experience, we started looking for a commerce platform. A search platform that could also handle voice search and a fully headless CMS. We also wanted a chatbot solution that could automatically handle communications with the customer once they reach the curbside pickup area. From a technical standpoint, we wanted to build a best-of-breed solution, using products whose services can be scaled up or down based on demand. We wanted the APIs to be easily extensible and composable. An exhaustive feature set would help minimize customizations and assist with rapid implementation. We got started by looking into the various product offerings that are part of the Mac Alliance. This made our quest a lot simpler as we were able to find most of the products that we were looking for. Here is our high-level architecture. Our commerce engine is driven by commerce tools. We use Content Stack as our CMS and Algolia as our search engine. LivePerson's conversational cloud drives the curbside chatbot. Uniform drives personalization on the site. We use customers' browsing patterns to capture their intent. In our application, we have created an intent in Uniform for customers looking to buy watches. When a customer browses through the watches category, we display a slot on the home page to promote a specific watch product. Here is the detailed technical architecture. We integrated LivePerson with commerce tools to validate the order ID provided by the customer. We also integrated LivePerson with Voucherify to give the customer a gift voucher after a successful curbside pickup. For our proof of concept, we used the demo e-commerce app from Content Stack and built in our customizations on top. We truly believe that our solution can help small retailers continue doing business in these troubled times. Not only does it provide a safer delivery option for customers and retailers, it also provides an end-to-end shopping experience. We have enabled voice search for enhanced accessibility. Our site is also fully responsive, providing seamless experience on both mobile and desktop. Our live URL provides a fully functional solution. We hope you liked our solution.